Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Capital One account and access your credit card. Follow some simple steps with me. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe for more similar videos. Now moving on to the video, go to your browser and default search engine. Then search Capital One. Click the first link that shows up or go to www.capitalone.com. It will take you to the official website of Capital One. Once the page is loaded up, enter your username and password. Then click Sign In. Once you have signed in, you can navigate to Credit Card section, then access your credit card, whether you want to activate it or deactivate it. If you have forgot your username or password, you can reset it from here. And to make login easier, you can click on Remember Me, but I do not recommend it doing in a public computer. This much for today's video. Comment down your thoughts on this video, and if you guys find our video helpful, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys next time. Bye bye.